Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn addition and subtraction of money in class 4. Addition and subtraction are mathematical operations on numbers. How do you read this? Add rupees 25.50 and rupees 36.65. In this, 25 is the rupees and 50 is the paise. So this is 25 rupees and 50 paise. Similarly, here 36 is the rupees and 65 is the paise. So this is 36 rupees and 65 paise. Next, subtract rupees 55.25 from rupees 70. And here again 55 is the rupees and 25 is the paise. So it is subtract 55 rupees 25 paise from 70 rupees and 0 paise. Let us see what are all the rules to add and subtract money. First, write the money amounts one below the other. Take care that the decimal points lie one below the other. Next, if a decimal point is not included in the number, it is understood that it is in the end. For example, this is rupees 25. But when you do your addition or subtraction of money, it is understood that you will have to add a decimal point at the end followed by 2 zeros. Next, add or subtract in the usual way. There is no difference in the addition or subtraction method. Put the decimal point in the correct place in the answer, just below the other decimal points. Now that we know the rules for addition and subtraction of money, let us do some sums for addition of money first. Add 25 rupees 50 paise and 36 rupees 65 paise. So let us remember the rules, which says that write down the number with the decimal points, of which this is the rupee part and this is the paise part. Next, write down the other number which you are going to add so that the decimal points are one below the other. Do the addition as always. So 0 plus 5 in the paise is 5. You should always begin your addition with the paise first. Next, 5 plus 6 is 11. 1. Place the decimal point as usual and carry over the 1 to the next place value. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 carry over 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So when you add 25 rupees 50 paise and 36 rupees 65 paise, you get 62 rupees and 15 paise. Let us do another sum. Add rupees 55.25 and rupees 30. Write down the number. This is the rupees and this is the paise. Write down the next number. Take care that the decimal points are one below the other. Begin the addition of the paise part. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. Place the decimal point in the answer below the other decimal points. Now add the rupees. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So when we add 55 rupees and 25 paise with 30 rupees, you get the answer to be 85 rupees and 25 paise. Next, let us do addition of three numbers. Rupees 243.75, rupees 58.25 and rupees 123.50. So, as usual, first write down the number with the proper decimal point. This is the rupees part and this is the paise part. Next, write down the next number such that the decimal point is one below the other. Now, write down the third number also in such a way that the decimal point is one below the other. Begin the addition of the paise part first. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So 0 carry over 1. Next 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 and 1 will be carried over. Before that, place a decimal point and carry over the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 5 carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 carry over 1. Next 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So when you add rupees 243.75, rupees 58.25 and rupees 123.50, you get the answer to be rupees 425.50. Let us do this addition now. Add 448 rupees and 65 paise, 123 rupees and 75 paise and 59 rupees and 50 paise. Write down the number. This is the rupees part and this is the paise part. Write down the second number such that the decimal points are one below the other. Write down the third number and perform the addition of the paise part first. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 9 and 1 is carried over to the next place value. Before that, place the decimal point in the answer just below the other decimal points. Next, add the rupees part. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 9 is 21. 1 carry over 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So the sum of the three numbers is rupees 631.90 or 631 rupees and 90 paise. Now that you have learned addition of money, next we are going to do subtraction of money. So stay with me till the end of this video. Subtract rupees 24.50 from rupees 71.15. Write down the number from which you are going to subtract first. Write down its rupees and paise part. Next, write down the other number which you are going to subtract. Take care that the decimal points are one below the other. Now, as usual, do the subtraction and now begin the subtraction from the paise part first. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 5 cannot be done. So, you move on to the next place value for borrowing. So, 1 becomes 0 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 will give you 6. So, you have 65 paise. Write down the decimal point exactly in the same place where the other decimal points are there. Now, coming to the rupees part, 0 minus 4 cannot be done. So, you borrow from 7 which becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. Now, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So, when you subtract rupees 24.50 from rupees 71.15, you get the difference to be rupees 46.65 or 46 rupees and 65 paise. Subtract rupees 23.75 from rupees 195.50. Here we are going to subtract a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number and both of these numbers have paise part also. So write them down very carefully. So first write down the number from which you are going to subtract. 195.50. This is the rupee part and this is the paise part. Write down the next number which you are going to subtract at their appropriate places such that the decimal points are one below the other. Now begin the subtraction of the paise part. 0 minus 5 cannot be done. So you borrow from the next place value, which becomes 4, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 cannot be done. So you go on to the next place value and borrow from there. 5 will become 4 and 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So you get 75 paise. Place the decimal point appropriately. Come to the rupees part. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 can be written just like that. So what is the difference that you get? Rupees 171.75. Dear viewers, hope you have clearly understood how to perform subtraction operation of money. Let us do the sum. Rupees 175.25 is to be subtracted from rupees 700. So write down 700. This is the rupees part and this is the paise part. Write down the other number and begin the subtraction in the paise part. So in paise part, in the first number from which you are going to subtract, you have only zeros everywhere till the number 7. So borrow from that, that becomes 6, 0 becomes 10. Again you are going to regroup this. This becomes 9 and this place value now becomes 10. This again is regrouped and in paise part you get 10 and now this also has to be regrouped and you get 10 over here. So 10 minus 5 in the paise part will give you 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. So you get 75 paise. Write down the decimal point. Coming to the rupees part, 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. So subtraction of rupees 175.25 from rupees 700 will give you the answer rupees 524.75. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 4 under the topic subtraction for the children, of which I have covered these topics: subtraction of 5-digit numbers with regrouping, checking subtraction by addition, combining addition and subtraction in my previous videos, and all of them are in separate videos. Links to all these videos are given below in the description box. Now in this video we saw addition and subtraction of money. In the upcoming videos we will be seeing story sums, mental math and subtraction worksheets. Links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. Or you may also click on the in-screen video which will contain the playlist for all the videos for class 4 subtraction. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video with the next topic on subtraction. If you like the quality of my video, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again